Okay, welcome back. We are going to continue working in JavaScript. So we had a previous program that we did where the user entered in their username and password, and it displayed their username and password in the console. So now we want to modify that existing program that we already had and check to see if the username and the password match what's being put into the basically what's in the array that's created there. So there's a pre-existing array called object.people or object people, and it's got some pre-existing username and passwords in there, and whatever they put into the username password field, I want it to loop through the array and compare to see if it matches. If it matches, I want it to say, you have successfully logged in, or however you want to word that. And if it doesn't match, you want to say invalid credentials or wrong password or something like that. So how would you do that? Why don't you pause the video and try that on your own? I just wanted to show you that this is still working here, where you can inspect it and you can type in username and password, and it displays the name and the password. Rod pass, your username is Rod, your password is pass. So that part is still working. But that's the program we want to modify now. So go ahead and stop the video, take a crack at it, and then come back when you're ready. Alright, so we're back now, and of course we wanted to loop through the array. So we're going to start the for loop there. For is I is equal to 0, I is less than object.people.length, of course, so we wanted to loop through the array, and then I plus plus. So we want to say if, there's a couple different ways you could do it, but you could say if username is equal to, or is equal to Godzilla, or you could say if Godzilla is equal to username, and remember, because the variable is Godzilla and the other variable is King Kong, and King Kong is equal to the ID password from the other side, from the HTML side. Then you wanted to say document.write, you are logged in. And we have to put a return here, because if you don't put return there, it will keep on looping, and if they got the correct one, you want it to stop looping there. So then outside of the brackets, you want to put the, if they don't put in the right credentials, you want to put those are invalid credentials. And I did make a syntax error there. See if you can spot it. Can you spot my syntax error? We're going to try it. And we're going to say Sam codify. Those are invalid credentials when actually they were correct credentials. So can you spot my error? Since you wanted to loop through the array, and the array is object people, and the for loop is I, you want to say object people bracket I dot username, and object people bracket I dot password. So that was my syntax error right there. I had done it right just before this video, and then I always get nervous during the video. I end up messing up, but I did it right when I practiced it right before this. But now I corrected that, so object people.I.password. So now it will loop through array, compare the the array with what people are putting in the username and password field, clicking the button, firing up the function, and it's going to display you were logged in because you typed in the username Sam and password Codify. But if you put in the wrong password, it's going to say those are invalid credentials. Or you could have put that is the wrong username or password, or however you wanted to put it. So Matt Academy, you are logged in. Chris Forever. You are logged in, so it's all working now. And if Chris put in the wrong password, it would say those are invalid credentials. So that's how you loop through array and create a login system.